In the early 1960s, when an American woman got pregnant before marriage, she usually married before the child was born. 6 out of 10 did. By the early 1990s, that number had fallen to under 1 in 4, 23%. The shotgun marriage, half a century of quiet pressure, was gone. So what happened to the other 40%? In 1960, about 5% of American babies were born outside marriage. Today, 40%. But unmarried is not the same as alone. About 35% of unmarried parents live with the child's other parent. 53% are solo mothers. 12% are solo fathers. Look at first-time mothers today, split by education. For a woman with a bachelor's degree, 85% are married when the child is born. For a woman without one, 40%. Cohabiting parents come apart at roughly 3 to 4 times the rate of married ones. Not a moral claim, a structural one. No legal binder, no shared property default, no divorce to slow the exit. The shotgun marriage did not die everywhere. It died where the marriage cushion was already thinnest. And the children of the fracture, the ones on the wrong side of the class fork, did not inherit the cushion either. Data comes from the U.S. Census Bureau, the CDC's National Center for Health Statistics, and Pew Research. Threads planted here. The never-married adult, whose share doubled since 1990, and the invisible father, who the birth registry cannot count. Both waiting for a future video.